Hello everyone, welcome on Tips Engineer John. Now we are learning about what is testing, okay, and their type and what is commissioning. So first of all, what is testing? Okay, so what is testing? Testing is the process, okay. Testing is a process. Testing is the process to test various equipment according to their function and specification to prove its conformity for safe and reliable system. Okay. Testing is a process to test various equipment. Okay. Okay. And need of test. Why we do testing? So need of test. To check performance of equipment, first check performance of equipment, okay, and a specification to maintain for safe and reliable system. So need of test is to check the performance of equipment and a specification to maintain for safe and reliable system. Okay. Now test method. What is the test method? There are two test method. Test method. First is type test. Okay. And second is routine test. Routine test. Okay. Now what is type test? Type test is testing to determine whether a product match with a specification. Means determine product match with a specification. Okay. Now routine test. Routine test. Routine test is testing to conducted on each product manufactured to confirm proper manufacturing of each and every unit. This test done before dispatch and check random equipment quality and specification. Okay. So routine test is this test perform each product testing conducted on each each product. Okay, to check and confirm proper manufacturing of each and every unit. These tests done before dispatch. Routine test, routine test, routine test perform before dispatch. Okay, and check random equipment quality and specification. And check random quality and specification. Okay, third test is acceptance test. Acceptance test. Okay, now talking about acceptance test. Acceptance test. Now what is acceptance test? These tests are carried out on sample. These tests are carried out on sample. Okay, taken at random offer lot of manufactured item for purpose of acceptance of lot. This test done by user. This is important point. Acceptance test done by end user means customer. Okay, this is nothing but quality assurance by user, checking quality by end user. Okay, now talking about what is commissioning. What is commissioning? What is commissioning? Okay, commissioning is process of achieving, verifying and documenting that performance of system and being together to meet its definite objective and criteria according to its quality. After performing various tests, checking the specification, connection and complementing installation, we need to change system which is verified as per a specific standard. Okay, so commissioning is process of achieving. Commissioning is the process of achieving, verifying, second documenting, and achieving. Okay. Commissioning is process of achieving, verifying and documenting that performance, achieving that performance means of system and being together to meet its definite objective. Okay, objective. Now, after performing various tests, checking the specification, connection, and completing installation, now after performing various tests, checking the specification, connection, and completing and completing installation. These all activities come under the commissioning. So what is commissioning? Commissioning is the process of achieving, verifying, documenting the performance of system, okay, and being together to meet its definite objectives and criteria according to its quality. Okay, after performing various tests, checking the specification, connection, completing installation, okay, and we need to change the system which is verified as per a specific attender. So these all activity come under the commissioning of the system. And testing is the process to test various equipment according to their function and specification, okay, and prove its conformity for a scale and reliable system. A need of test to check performance of the equipment specification and maintain for safe and reliable system. What are the how many type of the test are the 3 types, and acceptance test, type test, and routine test. Okay, in type test determine product match with a specification, but in case of routine test perform each and every unit of the product. And acceptance test, these tests are carried out on sample taken at random from offer lot of manufacture item for purpose of acceptance of lot. Okay, this test is done by the end user, means this test done by the customer. Okay, so this is all. Thanks for this video. Thank you.